That darn Sparrowhawk's at it again. Yep, trying to hunt my swallows. And you know, this is basically nature, innit, guys? Oh, house martin's mobbing it. Now the jackdaws are going to be moaning about that.
Oh look, I got it while it was blowing.
What? That air balloon? The owl one?
Look,
Snap.
it's going down, look.
Yeah. Snap, don't tell me it's gonna...
It's a teddy bear, isn't it, first? Or is it an owl?
Yeah, it's an owl, that. It's a great armed owl face on it. No, 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 no. Don't. Oh, come on, not now. Not now, please. Looks like it's gonna land next to church. Saw a bat.
Oh dear.
I saw a bat.
You should go upstairs in your bedroom, Alfie, and see it from up there.
Oh, snap.
It's going down now, isn't it?
Snap, don't tell me it's gonna... Oh, the jackdaws are now gonna be moaning about it. What? No, 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 no. No. Ah. What are you barking at? Is there a bird of prey in your garden, Lucy? I'll have to check. Swallows seem to be mobbing something. Oh, there is a oh, it's a peregrine falcon. It's that peregrine that goes and eats my jackdaws occasionally. And he's not scared of Lucy.